Greetings, everyone. So, my name is Elijah Justin Ross Bukala, and I prefer to be called Elijah. And my nationality is Filipino, and which means that I live in the Philippines. So, to get know more about me, let's get started. What's your expectation about the course? What do you want to know? Of course, I expect that I would get something that I will be needing in the very future, whether it is I'm a boss or a coworker in a certain job or in the company. So that's what I am expecting in this course subject. So next, what's your expectation about your classmates? I expect that we would enjoy this course subject, and at the same time we would learn, and I expect that we would all work as one in a certain group. So that's what I am expecting. So what's your expectation about your professor? I expect that he would do everything to share his knowledge and everything that we need to know about management. So that's what I'm looking forward to make most of the course. What are you willing to do? Of course, as a student, I need to pass all the requirements and I need to learn everything that I need to know for this course subject, and that's what I need to do in order to fulfill myself as a student. So that's all for now. Thank you for listening.